The story begins with Walter White, a mild-mannered and overqualified chemistry teacher, struggling to make ends meet and support his family. When Walter is diagnosed with terminal lung cancer, he realizes that he needs to secure his family's financial future before he dies. Driven by desperation and a desire to leave something behind, Walter decides to enter the illegal drug trade. Walter partners with Jesse Pinkman, a small-time methamphetamine manufacturer and dealer. Together, they establish a methamphetamine production operation, with Walter using his chemical expertise to produce an exceptionally pure product. As they delve deeper into the criminal underworld, Walter adopts the alias Heisenberg to conceal his true identity. Throughout the series, Walter and Jesse face numerous challenges and encounter dangerous criminals, including Tuco Salamanca, Gus Fring, and the cartel. They form alliances, engage in power struggles, and resort to increasingly desperate measures to protect their interests and survive. As Walter becomes more involved in the drug trade, his transformation from a mild-mannered teacher to a ruthless drug lord becomes evident. He becomes consumed by his alter ego, Heisenberg, and embraces the criminal lifestyle. Along the way, he compromises his morals, deceives his family, and commits heinous acts of violence. Walter's actions have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only his own life, but also those around him. His wife, Skylar, his son, Walt Jr., and his brother-in-law, Hank, become entangled in his web of lies and illegal activities. The tension and secrecy increase as law enforcement, including DEA agents Hank and his partner Stephen Gomez, get closer to uncovering Heisenberg's true identity. As the series progresses, Walter's empire expands, and he becomes one of the most powerful figures in the drug trade. However, the toll of his criminal activities weighs heavily on him, and he faces constant threats from rival gangs and his own deteriorating health. In the final season, Walter's empire begins to crumble, and he is forced to confront the consequences of his actions. He becomes a fugitive, hiding from law enforcement and seeking redemption. Walter seeks to settle his unfinished business, tie up loose ends, and ensure the well-being of his family before it's too late. Ultimately, the series culminates in a dramatic and tragic conclusion as Walter's choices and actions catch up with him. The story of Breaking Bad is a dark and compelling exploration of the human psyche, the consequences of one's choices, and the corrupting power of ambition.